and welcome. I'm really glad to see you again. Today's lesson consists of where I live, rooms and furnitures, there are, prepositions and directions. This is where I live. Bu men yashaydigan joy. Types of houses. Turar joy turlari. Birinchisi, a house, uy. Ikkinchisi, a block of flats, ko'p qavatli uy. Uchinchisi, a cottage, yozgi uy odatda bir qavatdan iborat bo'ladi. I live in a house, but my friends lives in a block of flats. Men hovli uyda yashayman, lekin mening do'stim ko'p qavatli turar joyda yashaydi. Ingliz tilida kimdandir qayerda yashashini so'rash uchun Where do you live so'rog'ini ishlatamiz. Where do you live? Qayerda yashaysan? I live in a flat. We don't have a garden. Men ko'p qavatli uyda yashayman. Bizda bog' yo'q. I live in a house. We have a big garden. Men hovli uyda yashayman va bizda katta bog' bor. Keling endi birgalikda parts of the houses, ya'ni uy qismlarini o'rganamiz. House, uy. Living room, mehmonxona. Bedroom, yotoqxona. Kitchen, oshxona. Dining room, ovqatlanish xonasi. Bathroom, yuvinish xonasi. Garden, bog'. Backyard, hovli. Door, eshik. Window, deraza. Balcony, balkon. Attic, chordoq. Keling endi birgalikda darsimizni grammatikasini ko'rib chiqamiz. Grammar sport. There is, there are. Ma'nosi bor. Positive, ijobiy. There is, bor, birlikda. There is a book on the table. Stol ustida kitob bor. They are, bor, ko'plikda. There are books on the table. Stolni ustida kitoblar bor. Savol shakli. Is there, are there. Is there a book on the table? Stol ustida kitob bormi? Yes, there's a book on the table. Ha, stol ustida kitob bor. Yoki bunga inkor shaklida, ya'ni negativ shaklida No, there isn't a book on the table. Stol ustida kitob yo'q shaklida javob berishimiz mumkin. Are there books on the table? Stol ustida kitoblar bormi? Pozitiv, ijobiy shaklida Yes, there are books on the table. Ha, stol ustida kitoblar bor. Negativ, inkor shaklida No, there are not books on the table. Yo'q, stol ustida kitoblar yo'q. Now, pause the video and complete the sentences with there is or they are. Here you can check your answers. Now, pause the video and choose the right forms of there is, they are. Here you can check your answers. Prepositions. Predloglar. In, ichida. For example, misol uchun, there is a mirror in my bag. Sumkamning ichida oyna bor. On, ustida. There is a book on the table. Stol ustida kitob bor. Under, tagida. There's my copybooks under the table. Stol tagida meni daftarlarim bor. Next to, yonida. There's a cafe next to school. Maktab yonida kafe bor. Behind, ortida. Behind, ortida. There's a desk behind me. Orqamda doska bor. In front of, ro'parasida. There is a camera in front of me. To'g'rimda kamera bor. Between, o'rtasida. There is a bicycle between two cars. Ikkita mashina o'rtasida velosiped bor. Now pause the video and look at the Mohinur's bedroom and write prepositions. Here you can check your answers. Keling endi birgalikda ingliz tilida yo'nalishlar qanday aytilishini o'rganamiz. Ingliz tilida yo'nalishlar direction deyiladi. Turn right, o'ngga burilish. Before hitting the main entrance, turn right. Asosiy eshikka yetmasdan oldin o'ngga buriling. Go straight ahead, to'g'ri yurish. Go straight ahead from bank. Bankdan to'g'riga qarab yuring. Go pass, dan o'tish. Go pass away from school and hospital. Maktab va shifoxonadan o'ting. Cross, kesib o'tish. Cross the road. Ko'chani kesib o'ting. Practice the directions and finding a place. Find the place on the map. Xaritadan joylarni topish. Excuse me, where is the bank? Go along this road, past the school, under the bridge, and the bank is on the left. Hello, how do I get to the bedroom? Go through that door and past the kitchen, turn on the left, and go up the stairs. Turn right, and the bedroom is in front of you. Sorry, how do I go to the dining room? Go out this room, turn left, and go down the stairs. Past the bathroom, and the dining room is next to the living room. Now pause the video and practice the places with your partner. Videoni to'xtating va joy nomlarini sherigingiz bilan mashq qiling. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.